Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you how to create duplicate tabs on Google Chrome browser in your Windows PC. So for this guys, you don't need to download any extra third party extension, just open the Google Chrome browser. After opening, for example, if you have opened any website on your Google Chrome browser, after this guys, same website tab you want to open once again. So how to do this? So to do this guys, for example, I have opened the Google Chrome browser home page. Same web page I want to open on another tab. Just right click on that tab and here you can get the option duplicate. Just click on it, that's it. After this guys, you can get the same web page on another tab, as you can see. So this is the very easy and very simple method to create duplicate tabs on the Google Chrome browser. So that's it for today guys. This is the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.